Welcome to the Simplitude channel. Here are some affirmations to attract success in competitive exams. Make sure you listen to these affirmations with your closed eyes at least 3 times a day and for consecutive 21 days, and work hard along with it, and you shall see the results in your life. So let's begin. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and repeat these affirmations after me. My results will not disappoint me. I am confident about the marks and results. My knowledge is my strength. I have written all the answers. I will qualify this exam, and that too with good marks. I have not repeated the previous year's mistakes of mugging up everything. Instead, I have thoroughly prepared the syllabus. I am an outstanding candidate. My results are what I have done, and I know I have done extremely well. I want my parents to be proud of me, and this examination has given me the chance to prove my worth. I have cleared my doubts for the upcoming exam. I am at my best. I will give my best in this exam. I have come this far on my merit. I will keep going on my own. I am confident that I will pass this exam. I am sure I will be amongst the toppers. I will score great marks. I am sure I will be the winner this time. I am sure I will write great answers in this exam. I will achieve my dream and step on to the next level in my life. I have the ability to cross many milestones in life. These examinations cannot let me down. I will excel in this examination. I can give my best. It is easy to pass this exam. I just need to focus on the syllabus more than anything. I am a champion. I am a winner. And my hard work will be worth it. I am improving day by day. I will not let my teachers and parents down. I am well prepared for the upcoming competitive exam. I will prove my eligibility. I have been working hard for this exam. I remember whatever I have prepared. My teachers, mentors, and parents will be proud of me. There is no one who can beat me in this exam results. I know that everyone knows that I am a sharp student. I am an extraordinary student with good learning skills. I am a brilliant candidate. I am not waiting for the results. I already know I did it. I do not write anything without full information. I will outshine the exam this year. My skills will not let me down. I am very much self-confident. Everything is right this time. I will keep standing in my expectations. I realize what I want to accomplish in life. Nothing can stop me from clearing this exam. I am very much positive. I know I have studied hard. I have nailed it. I am completely focused and I believe in my hard work that I will be successful this time. I will be giving my best. So repeat these affirmations at least thrice a day for 21 days and surely you shall see the change in your life through these proven ways. See you next time and take care of yourself. All the best.